So you might be in a situation where for some reason your call screen on your iPhone, and basically as you're going through and just making calls, the screen is just flickering. No matter what happens, no matter what you're doing, the screen just continues to flicker. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here, the biggest thing, is that it's not really a software issue most of the time, it's usually a hardware issue. The front side right over here with this front camera, sometimes the screen can just be flickering all over the place, and if your proximity sensors on the front are actually covered, that's going to be one of the big problems here. So what I would probably recommend for you to do here is to just try clearing out these proximity sensors on the front. Try clearing them out, making sure there's nothing on the front side of this thing, and that should hopefully end up clearing out some of it for you, and hopefully you don't run into that type of problem here as well. Another thing is if you have any like live wallpapers or any live things like that, you might have to just temporarily turn them off, because that can probably end up kind of turning off some things here and there as well. Now another thing, if you have an iPhone with an always on display, you might want to go ahead and turn off the always on display here too. So go inside of your iPhone settings, go inside of display, find your always on display mode options that come up, and you might just want to go through and just kind of turn that off as well. And that might end up fixing the problem for you. If that's still not working, you might want to try updating your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings right over here, scroll over to general, scroll over to software update, and I recommend trying to go through and try updating your iPhone, and that might end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.